Wow. Ew. Are you guys gonna talk?
No.
You guys gotta talk. Please?
No. Why won't you?
Because I am talking. Let's go see my bunny, you guys. It was born about 2 weeks ago. See? Right there, that's the mom. And that's the other baby. They're in a cage, so we let them out sometimes. It's so cute, cute, cute. Oh, see, it's staring at me. That's the dad. The dad's cooking. Another dad. But Brittany, that one, she's pregnant. Come on. Let's go. Sandra. Dance, you guys. Just kidding.
Dancing, you know you went for your boyfriend, Derek.
Those are mean. They're boring. Oh, my battery's gonna die. Oh, wow. Bye.